It's your boy, that boy can cook. Back at you, in the place, in your face. Today, family, we're gonna be doing something real quick, real simple, a budget-friendly meal, something that the kids, the wife, the husband, whoever, they're gonna love it. Don't forget, like, comment, subscribe. That boy can cook, y'all. Make sure you hit that notification bell so you know what we doing it, when we doing it. Now let's get to it, family. This is what we are doing today. We are making Chimichanga Casserole is what I would call it. We are starting off. Let's get our ground meat brown. So we can put that in the pan now. You can see our ground meat is almost brown. And then like I say, we're just going to take it out and just going to drain it. That's what I was trying to say. We're just going to drain it once all of it's cooked. And then we're going to add our taco seasoning once we drained all the grease off. And you can use whichever, you can use ground sirloin, whichever one you like best. I just got ground beef. Like I say, this is a budget-friendly meal, so everything is done budget-friendly. So this meal costed me about 12 bucks, so you can't beat that. And you have 8 burritos, so can't beat that. Alrighty, now we have our ground meat browned. Now let's get it drained and move on to the next step. And some people add water. The direction says add water to it. I don't. To me, it just kills the taste of taco seasoning. So I don't add water. I just mix it as such. So make sure we get it all well combined. There we go. Let's get them in there. Get them incorporated. Yes. There we go. As such. Right. Now we're going to take 1/2, it's 2 cups of enchilada sauce. So we're only going to take 1/2. We just sauce the meat and the chilies. All right. Next step, y'all, like I say, quick and simple, to the point. And gonna have everybody full. Make sure our burritos are thawed out. If you want, you can bake them, you can fry them beforehand. I just do it this way. I'm being lazy, I guess. But like I say, once again, this is a quick, budget-friendly meal. So, whatever cuts down on time, that's what it is. Alrighty. My light looks like it. We're not on it. Get this right now. Now let's get our enchilada sauce. Get it poured in there. Make sure we get all of the chimichangas covered up with the sauce. There we go. We'll use all of it. We're going to use all of it. There we go. Alrighty. Like this. Then we're just going to spread it over. So we can just put it all in one spot. Right, family, as you can see, we have all of our chimichangas covered up. Let's just make sure we got them covered up, because sometimes your meat will fall through the cracks just like you see here. You want to pick that meat up and put it back on the chimichangas as such. Alright, next step. Now we're going to take some cheese. Good old cheese, y'all. We're just going to layer that boy as such. every little bit. There we go. All right, family, as you can see, we have our chimichanga casserole covered up, cheesed up, sauced up. And now we're just gonna hit it with the green chilies on top. And we're gonna throw it in the oven. We're gonna cover it with foil. And we're gonna throw it in the oven for about 20 minutes. We're gonna come back and we're gonna check it, make sure everything is doing what it's supposed to be doing. And if it is, which it should be, we're going to take off the foil. And then we're just gonna let the cheese brown for about another 10 minutes or so. All right, family. So let me cover this with foil. Let me pop this in the oven and we be back.